that's the new chair, and I really hope Max will like it. I mean, he knows that I would buy him a gaming chair, but he said that I can choose the one, and that's the design I chose. I really like it. I already tried it. I am also at the moment cutting the vlog from day 3. Yes, this vlog here. And yeah, it's so comfortable. And that was our old chair. I mean, it's okay, but it's already super old and the rolls don't roll anymore like they should. It's kind of always stopping, and you know. And here everything is so smooth. Wow, really fancy. And yeah, I hope he will like it. And I guess that's the end of this vlog, Vlogmas vlog. And yeah, let's see us tomorrow. Bye bye.